Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Fusion, 2010 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion manages and protects interior electrical systems such as the infotainment unit, power windows, interior lighting, and climate controls. It uses standard blade fuses and relays for reliable circuit protection. Each fuse is clearly labeled for straightforward identification and service. The design ensures safe operation of essential cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion protects critical systems like the engine control module, transmission, ABS, cooling fans, and exterior lighting. It contains high amperage fuses and relays to manage power distribution effectively. Each component is labeled for easy access and diagnostics. This fuse box plays a key role in ensuring reliable engine and system performance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.